We're just finishing up the rigid rear end on our Jawa build. This is the third strengthening rail we're putting in. It's also going to act as the hanger for the rear sets. We're just finishing it up now. We're going to put a bracing plate across there for strength, tube across there. Made this completely in-house, did all the bends. It was a bit of a challenge because of the width of the rear wheel. We were fighting for space all the way with the caliper and the chain run on such a wide tyre. So we had to pull the rim over about 6mm on the hub.
Because of our rear wheel choice, nice wide tyre, it's thrown the sprocket too far over to the left. In order to correct this, we've had to move the gearbox over to correct the chain run. Unfortunately, this has caused the clutch drum to move over out of alignment with the front sprocket, so we're going to machine up a new front sprocket to correct the chain alignment. Just some of the issues that can be thrown up when you're doing a build of this type.
This is the tank we're going to be using. It's aluminium, not the most aesthetically pleasing thing, but practical as it's a methanol burner, so we need a catch tank on it, and it'll hold a few litres. It's got twin taps on it, just because methanol burns so fast.
This is the set of girders we've knocked up for this sprint bike. We've put some nice webbing down the front, give it a nice 30s look, and also it's allowed us to mess around with the geometry so that we can get a nice tight steering angle. The forks rise up and down on the top linkages, and this will be controlled by a nice high-tech gas and oil damped multi-adjustable shock absorber, which we've going to fit up there with a couple of mounts, top and bottom. All we have to do now on this set of forks is build the top and bottom bracket for that and mount the caliper for the front brake, and we're done.